take a look at this application here called InOcean AI. So as you can see here, a lot of AI portrait photos which you can use, and pretty much use this application here to create your own AI portraits. You can see here a lot of them which you can choose from. You have this option here where it says AI photo. So if you do tap on these options, you'll be seeing a lot of things. You have the 3D figure option, which can use your image or even use the same style to create something similar to this. And you also have the edit shot, as you can see here. And you have some other ones as well. So a lot of them as it relates to photo AI. So all you have to do is select the one that you want to use. For example, if you want to turn your picture into anime, you can use the anime section here. As you can see, you select whichever one you want to use. Once you've selected that, you can either use your photo, pretty much replace everything here, or give it a try. So those are only two options, and do keep in mind how much will be needed to pretty much generate your image. So as you can see here, 50, I would say, ocean coins, and 54 ocean coins and 14 ocean coins here. So that's how to use the application. Do keep in mind as well, this application is not for free. You're going to need a subscription before you even be able to use any one of these features. So you can see I have the Christmas one, although Christmas is gone. You have the Christmas one here as well. It looks very good, not gonna lie. Quality is very good as well. All you have to do is just upload a picture of yourself and you pretty much get these results. So as well, you can go and get pro option here. And as you can see here, this is pretty much the pricing as it relates to your subscription. Although you're going to need a subscription to be able to even use your application, you can get a 3 days free trial and test out your features and pretty much everything about the application. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. And if I missed anything at all, let me know in the comment section. And if you're looking for your photos, it will be shown in the profile section here, as you can see here. So that's all. If you have any problems, let me know in the comment section. And this at the top here tells you how much ocean coins, I should call it, you have. So once you get the subscription, you get ocean coins. So that's really pretty much it. And if I missed anything at all, comment below. See you in the next one.